Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm testing the official Diezel VH4 VST plugin, developed by Brainworx Audio and distributed by Plugin Alliance. Check it out! So, Brainworx Audio is a very famous company that developed a lot of very good software applications. Months ago, I had the chance to try their Rock Rack 3 plugin, and I was really well impressed by its great sound quality and ease of use. Alright, so let's get into it. The user interface is practically identical to the real iconic VH4 amp head, with its oblique design for the control knobs front panel section. It's got 4 channels, 1 and 2 can be used for clean and crunchy sounds, while channels 3 and 4 are instead more suitable for the classic high-gain tones, both for rhythm and leads. Each crooked channel strip has its own gain and volume knobs, as well as a 3-band equalizer. And the first 2 channels also have a bright selector, very useful to get a crystal clear sound for arpeggios. On the left you can choose a high or low input signal, and on the right the master section has the volume, presence and deep knob that can help filter your guitar's sound both in the high and low end. So up to now it's a pretty standard looking VST plugin, but when you click on the FX Rack button you can see a lot of other options to get a unique guitar sound. Starting from the top left corner, you have a noise gate with the tight and smooth control knobs that are very useful to clean up your sound and get rid of annoying very low and very high frequencies if you click the pre-selector. Then on the top right corner there's a delay section, fully customizable and perfect to make your leads sound bigger and wider. The other rack strip below features an impulse response loader with a lot of great IRs. If you click on the RC info button, you can read all the information about the cabs, microphones and preamps used to create each impulse. And finally, there are 2 knobs for the input gain and power soak, giving you the possibility to adjust the pre and the post volume of your guitar. Alright, so let's hear how it sounds. I've just loaded this plugin into my DAW, and what you're going to hear in a moment is a DI guitar track from Grind, the 3rd song from my latest instrumental solo album. I still haven't touched anything, so I'm starting to configure the VH4 from scratch and get a good sounding guitar tone. Now, this is a great feature that can speed up my work a lot. You can make the VST to automatically scroll through the impulse responses every 1 to 8 bars of your song while it's playing, so this is absolutely time-saving. Okay, this is my DAW, and as you can see, in each one of the guitar tracks I've loaded one instance of the Diezel VH4 VST plugin. And actually I've just seen that it says modeled by Nembrini Audio, another great company. Alright, so these are the DI tracks. Left one, right one. Nice and heavy DI tracks. And here comes the lead. Alright, let's engage the VST plugin. Just one track at a time. This is the left guitar. Alright, definitely channel 3 or 4. I think I will use channel 4, very high gain. Let's back up the gain a little. This one. Absolutely. Number 25, Diezel 4x12. Let's add the other guitar too. A bit less gain. Sounds awesome. Let's try a good combination. Oh, this one is cool. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Number 4 is good. Let's hear again. Yeah, number 48. Here it is. Sounds killer. Maybe add a little bit of input gain. So heavy, yeah. Now let me add some drums and bass also for this section for your pleasure. And here we are. Okay. Maybe I can raise the volume here. Yeah, now it's balanced. A little bit present here. A little too much. Yeah, man, it sounds very good. Alright, now let's find a section for the lead parts. I think this one should be good. 32 for me. Yeah, I like 32. So let's choose it. A little bit more gain. And yeah, I'm doing the same on the other solo lead. Let's go here. "41. Got it. Yeah, I like this one. Let's hear together. Alright. It's a little too much maybe. And it's a little bit unbalanced, so I'm doing this. I think I can have a little bit of gain here and also here. Alright, now let's hear how this sounds. This is a cool part, without drum and bass. Alright, now let's try some clean stuff. Channel 1, bright. See how it changed the sound, the bright selector. Let's try the orange. So, in conclusion, I believe that this VST plugin is very fat sounding, just like a real Diezel amp pad would be. it definitely becomes part of my favorite amp simulators, both for its sound quality and its ease of use. The original VH4 amplifier is a true icon in the metal scene, so it must have been a very difficult task creating a software application that emulates it perfectly. Alright folks, this is all for today. If you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to directly support me, don't forget to listen to my instrumental solo album Musa and my private practice band project Awareness EP. They're out now and they're all available on all digital platforms: Amazon Music, Google Music, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, you name it. And also, if you're a bedroom producer like me, don't forget to take a look at my Facebook group, Amp Sims and VST Plugins for Metalheads. It's a great community, it's growing more and more every day. There are more than 1,600 members now, and you always get updates for new VST plugin releases. So once again folks, thanks for watching and see you the next time!